Hi, I'm Miss Hess, and I've been assigned to teach your Bio 2 class this year, and just wanted to go over a couple things to help get you started and hopefully to answer some questions. So the Bio 2 course this year is being run in Edgenuity, and if you've done a course with us before, it's probably been in Blackboard, but Edgenuity is a third-party content provider that we're using because we're in the process of transferring from Blackboard to Canvas, and so currently our other classes are not available. But it should be a good course. This Bio 2 course is going to be all environmental and ecology based. So if you liked those topics when you took biology, great. And if you didn't like them, I'm sorry. It's what you're going to be studying this summer. The course itself is set up pretty straightforward. It's in units, and in those units are lessons. Each of the lessons are broken down into a couple of things that they call activities. An activity can be anything from a warm-up to to instruction, to the summary, to an assignment, to a quiz. And so each one of those lessons has anywhere between 4 to 6 activities. So the activities could take 30 seconds, or the activities could take 20 minutes if it's more of a lengthy video. And your class has actually 72 lessons. So that's the total length of the class, and that is not including unit tests. So it's a pretty lengthy class. The summer is set up that we start on the 2nd, and if you're watching the pacing that's going on in the system, the end date is set for August 3rd. Now, we don't actually end until August 9th, and you will be able to work until August 9th. Unless you're graduating this summer, then you need to be done by the 7th. But you will be able to work all the way through. We just set it a little bit early so that we could pace you to be on time for exams. Which brings me to exams. There's no SOL for this class, but if you are a senior that is graduating this summer, which I think a couple of you guys are, your exams are going to be held the same week as the SOLs. So it's going to be July 30th through August 2nd. And you'll receive an exam link probably in the next 2 weeks in order to sign up for those exams. And so I would sign up as early as possible so that you can get the day that you want in order to take the exam. If you're an underclassman or you're not graduating this summer, you're going to be able to take your exam August 6th through 9th. And again, that exam link will come out a little bit later in the summer, and you'll be able to sign up for your exam time. The exam's going to be 50 questions. It's pulled randomly from the content, so it's really difficult. I can't really make a study guide for it because I don't know which questions it's going to pull. It pulls different questions for everybody, but there is a curve applied, so I just wouldn't really stress about the exam. If you've done the content in the course, you're going to be fine. As far as time management goes, if you are going to be gone for a significant period of time, like a week or a long weekend at a camp or something, or I don't know, whatever you're going to do this summer. If you are going to have limited email access and limited internet access, let me know so that if I see a break in your work, I'm not panicked and I know that there's something going on and just wait for you to return. Because we all have best intentions on vacation of working, but I don't know about you, it just never happens when I'm on vacation. So if you do know you're going to be gone for a length of time, make sure you work ahead. It's the best way. You don't want to have to catch up when you get back. We do have labs that are going to open up. Those labs are going to be available once summer school opens in 2 weeks. And I will send out an email with all the lab times and locations. They're going to be in 2 locations. I think one's out in Matoka and the other one's at CTC Hall. And they're going to be 2 days a week. So you'll be able to come into the labs if you want to work there and work in the mornings. But I'll send out those dates to you in another email. Looking down my list. Oh, so contacting me. The best way to contact me is either through email or text message. You can call me, that's fine. But it is through text message is actually the fastest. Some issues that you'll run into in this course is that you have 3 retakes for every quiz. And if you fail all of those, then what's going to happen is that the system will lock and you'll need to get it unlocked. And to do that, you need to text me. I check the system a couple times during the day to unlock anything that appears to be stuck. But if you want to get it taken care of more quickly, then go ahead and send me a text message. Just make sure that you include your name and the class that you're in and the assignment that you need to have unlocked, because that helps me track it down a lot quicker. The other thing that will happen is that the tests, you only get one attempt on those. And so if those are failed, then they'll need to be retaken or unlocked to allow you to move forward. So again, if you're trying to work or get caught up, text me, email me, let me know that you're stuck, and I'll get in there as quickly as possible and get those taken care of. Let me see, vacations, labs, time management, retake, structure, contact, exams. I think that's everything. So I look forward to working with you this summer. Please, it's a smiley face, I'm not mean. I want to help you. I want to make sure that you're successful this summer. So if you've got any questions at all or have any concerns, please reach out to me, because I'll be happy to help. See you later.